So you can, if you wish, to put your lube right in that liquid and smear it. It's gonna be too much. Yeah. Or the surface where the bacteria is growing. So what we're gonna do, my friend, it's salt, correct? So you have to add a drop of H2O. Tiny drop of H2O. Now, salad, you don't have to shake it. You hold it, and you know how to open it, correct? And you flame the mouth, the cap, and here we go. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip it here just to make sure it's cool. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna just, see what I'm doing? You lay it on top of the slant. Just put the loop on top and pick it up. You have billions of bacteria. So what we're gonna do now, here, we're gonna mix it with the H2O. Look how it turned cloudy. Do you see? Do you see? Everybody?
Yeah.
So now what we're gonna do, please spread it as much as you can. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. That's one way. You're gonna air dry it. The other way is, here the other way. The other way, you put the lube right where the angle is. Remember what I told you? Mm-hmm. The slant, it looks like this, correct? Just to make sure that it is cool. Don't do that. Or touch the face of your rock, you know. All right, so here we go. What I'm gonna do. See, I'm just the angle. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. Right? See that? Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Spread it, spread it, spread it. Flame it, flame it, flame it. Flame it, shame, shame, shame. Who did see Game of Thrones? Who did? Is that a great one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You see the new one that's going to come up, the Westworld, the new HBO show?
Yeah, when it's coming?
It's October 6th.
October 6th?
The Westworld's going to come up? That's
Yeah,
gonna
I
be
can't
crazy.
wait. I can't wait.
Anthony Hopkins?
I want to see the dragon. Salam, did you see it? Oh, you're missing a lot.
Teeth fixation.
Are we doing simple staining again?
Yeah.
Okay.
What we're gonna do now?
Let it cool.
Let it cool. I'm gonna flood it. About 60 to 90 seconds. We can't continue now.
Okay.
So What we're gonna do now?
Rinse it.
And you know how to do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Actually, we supposed to have a paper, it's called the Biblius paper, but we don't. Gently. Gently. Both are ready to be viewed. So therefore, bacillus usually we do not recommend it on petri dish because bacillus doesn't give you isolated colony. Compare, look at this. This is bacillus. Look at this. This E. coli gives you isolated colony, but not. Look at bacillus. You see? Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're looking for? Isolated colony. So I don't want you to use bacillus on petri dish. All right? Mari, jump here. So as a beginner, with all respect, the petri dish, by the way, everything when you do filtering must be labeled. Look, every tube is labeled. Did you notice that? The name of the bacteria and the date it was inoculated. Now, in the case of the petri dish, let me flame this so we could save time, right?
So
Even though I did flame it before, but yes, Ashley.
So does the date matter? Like, do you prefer one that was probably more newer compared to one that
Oh, very good question. Very good question. Okay, generally speaking, it depends on the bacteria, but generally speaking, if you want to do gram staining, best results to give you best results in the gram staining younger than 24 hours. Best results. But it's okay, you could go up to 48 hours, 50 hours, 72. Beyond that, it's going to give you variable results. So you go to and circle an isolated colony you're going to deal with. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what does a colony mean? Yes, very good. A colony is millions of one kind of bacteria. Now here I know all of them are Staph aureus because it was prepared by us. But always when you have a plate, you work with one colony to make sure that nothing is being mixed. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? Now, yes indeed I circled a colony. That doesn't mean you go and pick the whole colony. Just a little of the colony. Don't dig into the agar. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so since it is from solid, you're gonna use a tiny drop of water, correct?
What is that for?
If you put more than one, just. Now, look how you're gonna open the petri dish. Don't use two hands. And don't open it and put the plate. You let the plate sit on these two fingers. And you're gonna open it with these two fingers. And you're gonna be by the flame. Are you with me? Now, sometimes in order just to make sure that the loop is cold, you could stick it in the agar at the edge where there's no colony, like this. Does that make sense? Now, here, just a little bit of the colony. See it? You can't see it. And here. See it? Spread.